Welcome 5-Minute Supp Reviews. I'm Matt. You know it. It's a pre-workout review from another very small company. Where else would you hear about these? I don't know, but I love my small companies and I love my pre-workouts. Today is I-Prevail Supplements and their Rogue pre-workout. Jason over there, thank you very much. Sent me a handful of samples. I'm going to test them out. I have two different flavors. I have Bomb Pop and I have Watermelon Splash. So I'm winning my book. You know it. No blue raz, no fruit punch, so I'm excited about these flavors. Bomb Pop is usually pretty bomb, eh? Hey. Okay, the only bad thing is I don't have supplement facts on back of them, but thankfully for the internet nowadays, I wrote it down and let's go over them right now. Supplement facts over here. Okay, beta-alanine, 1.5 grams. It's about less than half of what, the clinical dosage, what we like to see around here. Let's see if that gives me enough endurance, if I get any tingles with that 1.5 grams of beta-alanine. You have L-citrulline at 1 gram. It's a little bit lower than we really like as well, but if you look at the next one, there's Hydromax in here at 1 gram. Hydromax, it's a very good pump ingredient. The bigger the dosage you go, the tougher it is you'll get a lot of clumps in the pre-workout. So let's see if that 1 gram, if I get any clumps or not in these packages. All right, caffeine anhydrous, 250 milligrams. You have that paired with dicaffeine malate at 125 milligrams. Nice, pretty solid energy boost between those two. Next two I'm enjoying for my focus, you got DMHA at 200 milligrams, Originasis at 100 milligrams, and at the very bottom you have estrogen at 25 milligrams. That's pretty much to enhance absorption, get it throughout your body quickly and efficiently. All right, I'm ready for some Bomb Pop. Let's get it. YouTube Nation, here's it going rogue. Do work. It's a sweet/tart Bomb Pop, if that makes sense. I mean, it does in my mind and my taste buds. Pretty good. I enjoy it. 4 scoopers out of 5. I'll be back next time to review the Watermelon Splash, and then I'll run the 4 samples I have here, and I'll give my honest feedback on the performance, if we should add this to our arsenal or not. I-Prevail Watermelon Splash taste test. Let's go. YouTube Nation, here's the still being rogue in the gym. Do work. It's watermelon. Bomb Pop's better by a little bit. 3.5 scoopers out of 5. Still, it's good enough to drink. See you for the review. How did I-Prevail's Rogue pre-workout handle when I put it to the test for the past 4 days? Pretty good. Let's get to the pump aspects of this pre-workout. I was hoping to get a little more out of it. They were not bad, I want to say. Either if they could increase the Hydromax, which, if you go from 1 gram to 2, that 2 grams seems to be a clump issue, but, your pumps get pretty greater. Or bump that L-citrulline up. I believe it was at 1 gram. Yes, 1 gram to at least maybe 3, 3.5, 4. That'd been pretty awesome. I think the pumps would have been greater for that, but I can understand where they were going out with that formulation. The focus, the DMHA, the Originasis, I had very nice focus in there. I love those two combinations, especially paired with some caffeine. And they got dicaffeine malate in here, had some nice energy. The focus was good. Both of those were, went par and par. Lasted, I want to say, about 3 hours. I felt focused, felt dialed in, had the energy to get throughout my whole workout. Just wish the pumps were a little bit better, but hey, they were good enough for what I was expecting. 4 scoopers out of 5. Very good job on Rogue. All right, YouTube Nation, now you know what time it is. You found this review helpful, beneficial, and another small market pre-workout that you want to add to your arsenal, hit that like button. While you're down there, hit the subscribe button. Come on for 5-Minute Supp Review Ride.